Yeah, if you can communicate, you can get by. But if you can communicate skillfully, you can be a miracle. You can do the miracle. Hey, guys, this is your senior educator, director, and founder of Cosmos English Institute. Welcome to all of you. On this blissful morning, I just want to share a single thought in front of you. Guys, look, how's today's morning? Today's morning is a charming morning. Yeah, guys, to inspire, to motivate, to upgrade ourselves. This morning is perfect morning. Guys, look, you can update yourself at any time, at anywhere. Okay, guys, look, at any time, at any moment, you can develop your skills. And the most important skill is communication skill. Due to communication, you can convey your message. Due to communication, you can convey your ideas, your thoughts, yeah, with your friends, with your relatives, with your colleagues, with your near and dear ones. Communication is the key. With the help of communication, you can conquer the world. Yeah. But guys, you have to upgrade one thing in you is the effective communication. Means what? You have to add one word in that communication is smart communication. Be smart. What guys? You have to be the smart with the help of communication. Smart communication is the necessity thing. Due to smart communication, you can conquer the world and you have to upgrade the level of your communication. Yeah, guys. Finally, I just want to share single thing in front of you, and that thing is, guys, communication is the key. With effective communication, with smart communication, with the help of smart communication, you can conquer the world. Yeah, you can conquer the world. If you want to win the war that time, you should have to bring the effective communication. You should have to work on yourself. Yeah, you should have to upgrade your communication level. Yeah, how to speak, how to use proper eye contact, how to use gestures. These are the effective communication and the methods of communication. So guys, this is the director and founder of Cosmos English Institute. You should have to deal with a proper communication, the proper and the attractive communication, because it's the necessity thing. So guys, I am sharing one thing in front of you. You have to use the effective communication methods, mean proper communication method. Due to proper communication, anyone can conquer. Anyone can conquer. Yes, guys. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. So you have to work for yourself. You have to live for yourself. And you have to upgrade for yourself. Once upgrade, look guys, lot of time you have updated your mobiles, your cell phone, your Android phones, your iPhone. Lot of time you have updated. But it's right now time is like that. You have to upgrade you. Yeah, it's time. God has given an opportunity to you. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to update your level, and with the help of communication, you can conquer the world. So it's time to upgrade your communication skill. Those who want to work on your communication skill, those who want to speak fluently like a orator speaker, those who want to work on personality, have to open all the doors of Cosmos English Institute. Come and join us. I will guide you till 90 days and I will work on your skills 90 days. And within 90 days, you can upgrade your level. Within 90 days, you can be a orator of English language, orator of communication skill, and you can upgrade. With the help of communication, you can conquer the world. So guys, this is the open challenge to all of you. Come and join us and get a beneficial result and be the winner, be the leader, and be a important person of society. Yeah, with the help of communication, with the help of communication. So guys, come and join us. Finally, I just want to share a single thing in front of you. What is the effective communication? How effective communication plays an important role and dominant role in today's world. Yeah guys, what? In today's world. So you have to use effective communication. What an effective communication? After that, what should have to do? One thing you should have to do, and that thing is you have to be a possessive about your personality. What does it mean by personality? Personality, the difference between personality and communication. You have to write the answer in comment section. What is the difference between effective communication and your personality? And how personality matters while communication. So you have to use proper eye contact. What guys, you have to use proper eye contact. You have to use proper gestures on face. You have to mention a little bit smile, and you have to bring an attitude also while explaining your thoughts, while speaking to anyone. You have to mention, what you have to mention? You have to mention that attitude, that special expression. So guys, finally I just want to share a single thing in front of you, and that thing is, look, what is meant by communication, and what is the feature of communication you can get with the help of one line. This is the humble request from Professor Ajay Maske Patil sir. Do the miracles, do the changes, do upgrade yourself. If you just communicate, you can get by. But if you can communicate skillfully, you work a miracles. So be the reason of miracles. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Goodbye.